Another day, another English lesson. Due to versus because of. Hello. Today we're going to dive into the difference between due to and because of. These two phrases are often confused, even by native English speakers. However, understanding the difference is important, especially for tests and formal writing. By the end of this explanation, you'll know exactly how and when to use each one correctly. Let's get started. What do they mean? Both due to and because of are used to explain the reason or cause of something. However, they are used in different grammatical ways. The key difference. The main difference lies in what they modify, describe, in a sentence. Due to modifies nouns. Because of modifies verbs, adjectives or adverbs. How to use due to. Grammatical role. Due to is an adjectival phrase. This means it describes or modifies a noun. Structure. It is used after a form of the verb to be, is, are, was, were, to explain the cause of a noun. Example. The cancellation was due to the storm. Here, due to the storm modifies the noun cancellation and explains why it happened. How to use because of. Grammatical role. Because of is a prepositional phrase. This means it explains the reason for an action, state, or description. Structure. It is used before a noun or noun phrase to explain why something happened. Example. The event was canceled because of the storm. Here, because of the storm modifies was canceled, a verb form. Comparing due to and because of. Let's look at two similar sentences to see the difference. Due to. His absence was due to illness. Here, due to illness modifies the noun absence and explains its cause. Because of. He was absent because of illness. Here, because of illness modifies was absent, a verb form. Here's a simple way to remember the difference. Due to equals caused by. Use it to describe a noun. Example. The delay was due to traffic. Equals the delay was caused by traffic. Because of explains the reason for an action or state. Example. We were late because of traffic. Explains why we were late. Incorrect. The event was canceled due to the rain. This is incorrect because due to modifies the verb was canceled, not a noun. Correct. The cancellation was due to the rain. Here, due to correctly modifies the noun cancellation. Incorrect. His success was because of hard work. This is less precise because of modifies the noun success. Correct. He succeeded because of hard work. Here, because of correctly modifies the verb succeeded. A note for real-life usage. Even native English speakers sometimes confuse due to and because of in casual conversation. In everyday speech, people might say things like, the event was canceled due to the rain, and it won't sound strange. However, in formal writing or on tests, this would be considered incorrect. So, while it's not a serious mistake in casual conversation, it's important to use them correctly in academic or professional settings. Final tip. If you're unsure which one to use, try replacing due to with caused by. If it makes sense, use due to. If not, use because of. Example. The delay was due to traffic. The delay was caused by traffic. Correct. We were late because of traffic. Explains the action, so because of is correct. Now complete the sentences with due to or because of. One. The flowers grew quickly because of the sunshine. 2. The team's success was due to their hard work. 3. Her happiness was due to the surprise party. 4. She missed the bus because of her alarm not ringing, so she had to take a taxi to work. 5. The power outage was due to a broken utility pole. 6. She was late because of traffic. 7. She couldn't sleep because of the loud music. 8. The road closure was due to flooding. 9. They canceled the picnic because of the bees. 10. They stayed home because of the rain. 11. The flight delay was due to bad weather. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.